repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. What is it called? Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to our math class. Today we'll see what is the topic we are going to learn. Okay. Here on the board I have drawn few, what are these called? Apples. I have drawn few apples. I have put them in some boxes. Now let us count how many apples are there in each box. How many apples are there in this box? 1, 2. Okay. And in this box 1, 2 again. Next in next box 2 again, 1, 2. So what is happening here? These 2 apples are added repeatedly. This number 2 is added. These 2 number of apples are added repeatedly. So what is this called? Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. What is it called? Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Now suppose I add another 2 apples to this box here. So I write another plus 2. Okay. Now here what we will do is in multiplication, repeated addition is called multiplication. Here we will count the number of boxes first. Number of boxes first. Then we will write the number of apples. Next. Okay. Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication, and the sign of multiplication is into. What is it? Sign of multiplication is into. Okay. The sign of multiplication is into. Repeated addition of the same number is multiplication. Sign of multiplication is into. And the answer in multiplication is called product. What is it called? The answer in multiplication is called product. Okay. Here, first we are counting the number of boxes and writing into. Then the number of apples inside the box. Okay. How many number of boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 5 boxes into how many number of apples we have? 1, 2 in each box. Number of apples in each box. Okay. First we will write the number of boxes and we will write into the sign of multiplication and the number of apples in each box. Only one box you will write. Okay. That is equal to the answer is, we have to count all the number of apples in the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? How many apples we got all together? 10. So 5 times 2 apples, when we add, we get 10 apples. So how do we read this is 5 2s are 10. Okay. 5 times we are adding 2 apples again and again. So 5 times we are adding 2 apples again and again, and total number of apples will count and write it as the answer. This is called product. The answer in multiplication is called product. Okay. Now let's see one more example. I'll draw few logs